Welcome, darling. This is Madame Blanche. Welcome to my little world of silk.
Oh, hello, Madame Blanche. My name is Lucy. Your shop is so beautiful. It feels like a museum.
Thank you, sweet girl. Are you looking for something special today?
Yes, I need a gift for my grandmother.
I understand. For a classy lady, only the best material will do.
Exactly. She loves high-quality silk. It must look very elegant.
Look at this one. The pattern is inspired by French gardens.
Wow, the material feels so soft and light. It's like a cloud.
Let me show you. A silk scarf is not just a piece of cloth. First, we can wrap it like this for a classic look.
Oh my, that looks so royal. You are an artist.
Haha. Or you can tie it loosely for a casual Sunday.
I love that. It's simple, but still very luxury.
And third, try it as a headscarf. Very vintage, very chic.
I love it. A silk scarf should be the perfect gift.
Now, which color do you prefer, Lucy?
This navy blue is so classic and deep.
Blue is safe. It goes with everything. It is very calm.
But this bright orange is so vibrant. It's so full of life.
Orange is bold, darling. It makes a strong statement.
Oh dear, this is hard.
Does your grandmother like to stand out or stay traditional?
She is a very bold lady, but her eyes... Oh, I just realized something. Look at this navy blue. It's exactly the same color as her eyes.
Oh, that is so sweet. A gift from the heart.
Yes, when she wears this, her eyes will sparkle. I'll take it.
Perfect choice. Let me wrap it in our signature gold box.
Thank you so much. How much do I owe you, madame?
It is $80, a fair price for such beauty.
Here is my card. Can you add a small ribbon too?
Of course, darling. Your grandmother will be very happy.
I hope so. Thank you for your help today.
My pleasure. Enjoy your day and see you soon.
Oh, wow. This place feels like a time machine.
Haha, welcome to my shop. Are you a collection hunter?
Not really. Just call me Lucy. I'm looking for a gift for my dad.
Pretty name, Lucy. I'm Hans. So, what does your father like, young lady?
He loves old things. He says digital photos have no soul.
Wise man. I like him already. He needs a vintage camera, something with character.
Exactly. He wants to capture every memory on real film.
Look at this one. It is a beauty from the 1970s.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Can I try it?
Careful, this one is fully manual. It is quite difficult to use.
Let me try to put the film in. Oh, ouch!
Oh no, be careful. Your finger is stuck in the back cover.
Oh my, it's harder than it looks. I'm so clumsy.
Don't worry, slow down. Let me show you step by step. First, pull this lever. Then, slide the film under the lens focus.
I see. It's like a slow dance. You have to be very patient.
Correct. That is the beauty of it. It makes you think before you click.
Is it still functional? Does it really work?
Of course, I fixed it myself. Look at these photos on the wall.
Wow, did you take these? They look so peaceful.
Yes, each photo tells a story. This one is a photo of my house from 40 years ago.
They are beautiful. My dad will love this so much. I'll take it, and I want to buy a new roll of film too.
Good idea. Here's a fresh one for his first shoot.
Thank you. Oh, do you accept credit cards?
Yes, of course. You can tap your card right here on the machine.
Perfect. Let me just... There we go. Beep.
It's approved. Would you like a receipt in the bag?
Yes, please. And could you wrap it carefully? It's a long flight home.
Don't worry. I will use lots of bubble wrap. It will be very safe.
You are the best, Hans. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, Lucy.
Oh, this shop is so peaceful. Hello? Is anyone here?
Hi there, I am Chloe, the manager here. And you are?
Nice to meet you, Chloe. I'm Lucy.
Hi, Lucy. How can I help you today?
Well, I need a scented candle for my mother. I believe she works too much and can really use some relaxation.
I see. Maybe something with lavender? I heard it helps with sleep. Here, smell this one.
That's nice. How about this lemon one and this chocolate one? Oh, and this sea salt one?
Whoa, slow down, Lucy. If you smell too many, your nose will get tired.
Oh no, you're right. I can't smell anything now. Everything smells like nothing.
Haha, don't worry. Here, smell these coffee beans. It will reset your nose.
Oh, wow, I can smell again. That is like magic.
Now, let's focus. Which ones do you love the best so far?
I think I'm deciding between this deep rose or sweet daisy.
Nice choices. They are both our bestsellers.
The rose has a very strong aroma. It's very bold.
And the daisy is very soft and gentle.
My mother's favorite dog was named Daisy. She loved that little pup.
Aw, that is a beautiful reason to pick a scent.
I knew it. I will take the sweet daisy one. It will make her smile.
Okay, that will be $35, please.
Can I pay with my phone? I use Apple Pay.
Of course. Just hold your phone near the card reader.
Beep. There, it worked.
Perfect. Your receipt is inside the gift bag.
Thank you so much for your help, Chloe. My mother will love this.
You're welcome, Lucy.
Hello, is anyone here? The smell of wood is so lovely.
Ho! Welcome to my workshop. I am Klaus. How can I help you, young lady?
Nice to meet you, Klaus. I'm Lucy. I'm looking for a gift for my little nephew.
A gift for a child. You are in the right place, Miss Lucy.
Oh, look at this little train. Is this a wooden toy?
Yes, it is. I made it by hand. Everything here is handmade and unique, unlike those tacky plastic toys.
It feels very solid, but why is wood better than plastic, Klaus?
Well, wood is durable. It doesn't break easily. And most importantly, it is safe for kids.
That's true. My nephew puts everything in his mouth.
Haha! Do you want to make your gift a bit more special?
I can?
Of course! Why don't you paint a small detail? Here is a brush and some blue paint.
Really? Okay, I will paint this tiny window on the train.
Careful now, steady hands, just a small stroke.
There, a little blue window for my nephew. Oh my, I feel like an artist.
Ho-ho! You did a great job, Lucy. Now it has your soul in it.
Thank you, Klaus. I will definitely take this train.
Wonderful. Let's go to the counter.
How much is this masterpiece?
It is $45, including your artist fee.
Haha, fair enough. Do you take credit cards?
I do. You can insert your card into that wooden box over there.
Beep. Done.
Perfect. Let me put this in a nice paper bag for you.
Thank you so much, Klaus. This is the most meaningful gift ever.
My pleasure, Lucy.
Wow, this shop is so vibrant. Everything is so cool. Hey there, I'm Penny. Welcome, welcome. Hi, Penny, I'm Lucy. I'm looking for a special mug for my best friend. Awesome. Tell me about her. What is she like?
Well, first, she works in a very busy office. She needs a lot of coffee or tea. I see. How about this huge ceramic mug with flowers on it? It's very pretty. No, that's too girly for her. She likes things a bit more simple. Okay, second detail? What's her personality? She is very smart, but she is also very sarcastic. She loves a good joke. Got it. Here is one with a funny quote. I'm the boss. So powerful. It's nice, but maybe too serious. She's more lazy funny, if you know what I mean. I think I understand. Oh, right. She absolutely hates waking up early. She needs caffeine to survive the morning. Oh, say no more. I have the perfect one in the back. Look at this. I'm not a morning person, with a picture of a sleepy owl. Oh my God, I knew it. This is exactly her. It's perfect. I'm glad you like it. It's our best seller for night owls. I'll definitely take it. Do you have a gift box for this? Yes, we have a very cute one with "Handle with Care" written on it. That's perfect. How much for everything? The mug and the box are $15 in total. That's a great price. Can I pay by credit card? Sure. Just insert or swipe your card here. All done. Transaction complete. Would you like the receipt in the bag or via email? In the bag is fine, thank you. Here you go. I hope your friend enjoys her coffee and her new favorite mug. I'm sure she will. Thanks for your help, Penny. Have a great day. You too, Lucy. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now, we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, have you ever shopped for souvenirs? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.